Hello, today I'm going to show you how to do the little bobbles in this sock pattern. At time of filming it doesn't have a name, so it's currently called this sock pattern. But yes, I'm going to show you how to do the little bobbles around the flower. So I've worked these 4 already, so I've just got the top one in the middle left to do. As you can see there, I've got this one left to do. So what we need to do is work to your marker, and then on this one we're going to knit across to it. So we knit 3, purl 1, and then we're going to do the bobble. So we have to knit into the front, the back and the front of the stitch. So we knit into the front like normal, don't take it off the needle, pull that through, and then we're going to turn the needle through to the back and knit into the back of the stitch. Okay, again, don't remove it from the needle, bring your stitch through, and then we're going to bring the needle round again and knit into the front again. So it's a little bit fiddly. You need to try and keep your stitches slightly loose as well, don't pull too tight. And then this one can be a little bit hard to get through. Okay, so you've created 3 stitches from that one stitch. So we'll do that again. So we're going to knit into the front as normal, but don't remove the stitch. Take your needle around and knit into the back. And then bring your needle through the front again. So you've made the 3 stitches, and then you can take that off the needle. Then we're going to turn for the next part of it. Hang on, I'm a little bit tangled up. And we're going to purl the first stitch from the 3 we've just made. So we're going to purl and remove. Then we need to purl, bring the yarn around, and then purl again on that second one. So we're making 3 stitches from that second needle. So I'll do that one again. So the first one is just a purl, then we purl, yarn around, purl, take the stitch off, and then we purl that last stitch. So we've now got 5 stitches. The next part we just knit across the 5. Nice and simple. Then we turn again, and we're going to purl 2 together. So 1, 2, whoops, purl those 2 together. Okay, then we purl 1, and then we purl 2 together. So we've reduced it down to 3 stitches. Turn, and then we're going to do a central double decrease. So we slip the first 2 as if to knit them together, so they're twisted, knit the next one, and then we pass those 2 slip stitches over. If you've got to do it one at a time, that's not an issue, that's fine. And then give it a little tug, and that is your bobble. And then complete whatever the pattern stays. The stitches at either side of the bobble, especially the one after, you need to give it a good tug. But there you go, and that's your little flower for your currently nameless socks, but I'm sure you know what they're called. I just don't yet. Thanks for watching.